The Central Florida community is safer tonight following the arrests and indictments of alleged killers, drug dealers, and home invaders.
Yeah, WESH 2 Investigates has been following this developing story since last spring. Tonight, Greg Fox sits down with the U.S. Attorney for an exclusive interview about this case and reveals what the federal government is going to do to stop this kind of violence.
To unwind the spider web that we often see in this is often a challenge.
Roger Handberg is the U.S. Attorney for the Middle District of Florida, sitting down with us for a rare one-on-one interview. He's doing so to emphasize the work of law enforcement tracking down the now indicted suspects in the carjacking, kidnapping, and murder of a woman in Lake Mary and the murder of a tow truck company owner on back-to-back days last April.
And what we saw in 2024 was just an escalating pattern culminating in two people being brutally shot and killed.
Juan Luis Cintron Garcia was gunned down April 10th. The next day, Catherine Aguas Vivas was carjacked at a Lake Mary traffic light. Her body was found inside her burned van near St. Cloud. Cintron Garcia was shot 100 times in front of his home. Handberg tells me he's rarely prosecuted cases with such brutality.
This may be one of the worst ones that I've heard of in this area. I mean, I've been a federal prosecutor here in Orlando for over 20 years. This is an unusual level of violence.
According to federal court documents, 9 people have been arrested and indicted on a range of charges from murder to carjacking, kidnapping, home invasion, and drug trafficking.
Arrested soon after the murders, Kevin Omar Ocasio Justiniano, Jordanish Torres Garcia, Giovanni Crespo Hernandez, and Derek Rodriguez Bonilla. Prosecutors say Justiniano was driving the green Acura during the carjacking. Aguas Vivas had just picked up $170,000 in cocaine and fentanyl drug money from Crespo Hernandez's house when Torres Garcia kidnapped the woman using a semi-automatic gun allegedly provided by Bonilla just before the tow truck company owner was murdered outside his house. Intertwined with the four in a loose-knit ring, Aguas Vivas' husband, Miguel Aguas Vivas Lizardo, Torres' brother, Sonic Torres, Annalise Colon de Jesus, and Cesar Silva Fernandez, along with Monica Sabel Romero Soto, all of them facing drug or gun charges, or both. Handberg says he's hired more prosecutors and investigators, and violent crime prosecution is up 77% on his watch to try and keep this region safe.
They should feel like they've got a law enforcement community that is every day looking to do everything they can to protect the people in this community from violence and from harm.
Torres Garcia's attorney tells WESH 2 Investigates his client could face the death penalty if convicted, something incoming U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi would have to approve. For WESH 2 Investigates, I'm Greg Fox, WESH 2 News.
Prosecutors say those so far indicted in this case were responsible for smuggling 27 kilos of cocaine between Central and South Florida since 2020 and then laundering the drug proceeds through cryptocurrency.